Good morning, guys. It's a rainy day now in Cebu City, but today we are gonna go to the hospital once again and see what are the changes in road conditions, as well as the checkpoints, policies, as well as almost some police presence in Cebu City. So today we'll now find out. So let's drive. So yes, this is the status of the checkpoints today. Yeah, medyo strict na diha sa Mandaue na checkpoint. Even ka ng mga motorcycle, have to be checked. Sarado na lang, special lane for motorcycle, so everyone will pass in one lane. Ano rin na to sa ato ka may tao rin no. Mura mag free rin no, makasuda rin, but manaasa rin but maybe breakfast pa. Dili kay kuan ron ang kuan, basta sayo wa man kayo pwede bantay tanaw hawan king daan no. Sa kanina naka scooter na babae. Puro bike and bicycles and motorcycles, walay auto on site, you know. Maybe because this is early, but because mga sana wata ka ba na di ba sa manood sa Cebu City rong orasa kay yan na mga auto finally. So but yes, medyo mingaw, although it's still 7:37 in the morning. We'll see kung once I changes the roads ahead. Strict ang checkpoint na para sa mga tao. Wala, over here in Ayala area, wala sa gihapon. Mingaw, wala. This is
slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Today is a Saturday, by the way, so it feels like dili Saturday. We don't know actually unsa na day ron, but today is actually a Saturday, but most of us more dili na magbantay which day is it. So it's gonna be a strict lockdown in some barangays, of course, and of course in Cebu City as well. It's really a lockdown, especially tomorrow. No cars allowed, plus it's gonna be kuan. And we're waiting for our new QR coded quarantine passes. Wag ko na ni violate sa traffic rules kung usa na no left turn. We shouldn't violate the rules. So here is Kamputa once again. Our usual kuan agianan. Mana na itong barangay na garbage, mga tao naglakaw nakamask yun pero naging mga ID na no sige pandakop na rin noon na inaas lang gawas. So it's early morning, so kuan pa lang tayo, hindi pa ni sa busy, so I don't expect sad nga noon na sayo kay mga police ron para mapunsa. I think maggawas sa usually during rush hour na kanang daghanag mga tao sa daan. So basically, yeah, this is the usual route that we take. May kuan no, may payong, may tao sa daan no, mga nagpayong. Kaya tingin siya nagstambay na tug. So it's a Saturday, so dili gid siya kuan as busy as other days. And mana approaching Cebu Doctors University Hospital. Mas mga employee buses nila ay nagigamit to ferry their employees. So now on our way home, we will pass through Mango Avenue. And just see that area na lang kumusta. We're here at Fuente. So mga bata ang magpunga man nagbike sa badong-dong. So it's really a gloomy Saturday morning. Ano ko kita sa mga pulis kaayo because it's early pa, and I see some people na out on the street, maybe going to work. And some maybe early shopping ang uban. So now we're heading towards Mango Avenue, General Maximum Avenue. Traffic's very light here as well. Early in the morning. Di lang tayo break of traffic rules. Violate the rules. Ay, mga ambulansya dito eh. Sugat to eh. Palid mo ng auto. Iglesia ni Cristo. And ito labang sa boys high. So now we're here at the junction at Cebu, near Boys High, going to Dole, Mango Avenue. So there's like the Robinson's free ride is already here. And we have some police presence. So we're heading towards Ayala Center, Cebu. Still around very early in the morning, so no people. No cars. So traffic is really been very light. It's usually the case at this hour, so nothing surprising. But we're gonna be careful with vans coming from corners. Have to slow down because the roads are so clear na wala ang basig moderate rin sila. There's a road maintenance here in Ayala, the corner of the one going to corner of Keppel and Metrobank. They're heading towards Seda. There's an MCWD road repair. Although it won't affect the traffic much because we're on a lockdown, so there are very few vehicles outside right now, so wala. But yeah, so far very light ang traffic the whole trip. So over here at 𝑒𝑝𝑐𝑎, yes, very few vehicles still, but we've been seeing a few ambulances in this trip. So I guess a lot of emergencies right now. So if ever you're feeling sick, you better check out the numbers of the hospitals here of Cebu. Probably gonna post that one on the description so that if ever you don't feel well and you need a hospital bed, you better check with the hospitals first before going there, because it's gonna be a queue and it's quite expensive if you're just gonna use the emergency services. So yes, the traffic was light because the trip was very fast. Roads were clear. We don't see much cops yet. So maybe there are barangays that have strict restrictions, especially the ones that are so crowded. But the barangays that we pass by, are not so crowded, so we can observe that there were very few people outside. So nothing for the policemen. I don't think it won't be a big concern for now, especially in those areas. Um, the checkpoints weren't so strict also. I mean, it was easy access. There's no QE for at this time. So we're back now here. So guys, stay safe. It's good that I don't see much cars now. I mean, not so many people are out, so it's a sign that maybe a lot of people are really complying with the stricter restrictions. Because yes, our quarantine passes were suspended, were cancelled actually, because it's gonna be replaced. So it's gonna be let's see what happens next week, because people probably will complain because they reduced almost 30% from the previous number of quarantine passes that's gonna be issued. So let's see what would happen. And the quarantine passes for Cebu City is gonna be used only on 3 days a week. So let's see if the new policies would really curb the cases. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in our next tips. Bye.